You never want to spend your PayPal balance. What you want to do is tap on it, click transfer, transfer to bank. You want to do it in the 3 business days so you don't pay a fee, and tap transfer. Then you only want to spend money using a credit card. If you just use money in your PayPal balance, you don't get any bonuses, any rewards, any points, anything. It's just an L. That was a TikTok payment that I just transferred, by the way, which is pretty crazy. So you basically only want to spend money on a credit card. Like this one, you see I've earned 60,000 points using this credit card, and then you just pay it off at the end of the month. You transfer money from your checking to the credit card and it's done. Cash back, you can see that this is equivalent to $600. And I just get these points by spending money using my credit card. Of course, there's only certain ways that you should spend your points, and I have other videos that detail that as well. And there's only certain cards that you should get that are worth getting. So I have other videos to talk about that as well too. Here's kind of a new card that I got. Another reason not to spend your PayPal balance, to only use a credit card. I basically spent $3,000 on this card, I think, and then they just give me 80,000 points, which is equivalent to $800. But then you can use these points on like travel. So for example, when I flew home from Japan, I spent 70,000 points on a premium plus seat, and normally that seat would cost like $4,000 to buy. So I got a $4,000 seat with $700 essentially. I didn't understand this stuff for so long. I still don't understand everything, but I probably wasted 10-15 years like not understanding or doing this. And now I understand. Just buy everything on a credit card and pay it off at the end of the month. That's all for this one. Hope you guys found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.